In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide values in Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a calculated column that takes one column's values and divides them by another, all using Power BI's built-in formula bar. First, head to the table view of your report using the icons on the left side of Power BI. This view lets you look directly at your data. From there, select the table that contains the two columns you want to divide. This is important because the new calculation will live inside this specific table. Click anywhere inside that table to make sure it's active. Then go to the top ribbon and choose New Column. Power BI will create a new calculated column and open the formula bar at the top so you can define it. Before writing the calculation, rename the new column to something clear and meaningful. A descriptive name makes your report easier to read later, especially if others will use it. Now, after the equal sign in the formula bar, begin building the division. To reference your first column, type an opening square bracket. You'll see a helpful drop-down that lists all available columns in this table. Start typing the column name to filter the list, then select the correct one and close the bracket. Next, type a / to indicate division. After that, open another square bracket to reference your second column, select it from the drop-down, and close the bracket. Your formula will look like this conceptually. First column. Second column. Press Enter to confirm. Power BI will compute that division for every row in the table and populate the new column with results. If you've ever divided values in a spreadsheet, this will feel familiar. You're just doing it with DAX inside Power BI. A couple of quick tips as you review the results. Make sure you've chosen the correct columns in the correct order. Numerator first, denominator second, so the values make sense. If the second column includes zeros or blanks, you might see unexpected results. So it's a good idea to check your source data for those cases. Also, if multiple tables have similarly named columns, type a few more characters in the drop-down to confirm you're selecting the right one. That's it. You selected your table, created a new column, named it clearly, wrote a simple division formula by referencing columns with square brackets and a slash, and confirmed with Enter. As simple as dividing data in a spreadsheet, but now it's part of your Power BI model. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.